What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tianakpul, and I'm back with another video. That's gonna be my intro. Alright, but today, hair video, we got, that's how we do our hype bun. Look at these.
Ponytail big and all. Watch this, y'all gonna get small. Yes, sir.
So now, what y'all want to do is form the ponytail, which I always do. I always form my ponytails.
I always
I
put
put
my
it in-
hair in two pieces though.
Oh, she like piece her hair up, but I put mine to one, like this, and I put the rubber band on it, and then I will slick it, then I redo it, redo the ponytail. Okay, we're back, guys. Now,
My hair.
girl, we gotta put it in the bun.
A bun? Who wear buns?
Oh, you don't wear bun?
No.
Oh.
A bun. Oh my gosh. One moment.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. I guess we're doing a ponytail. I didn't know.
Well, you can do a bun and I can do a ponytail.
Shay didn't tell me. No, I keep it like this. So I'm finna add my ballies.
But that's because I don't wear buns. Because who wears buns? What is a bun gonna do for me? Did you forget? Look at my eyebrows. This bum hung up on me.
Video, if you liked it, like, comment, like
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
that, do that,
And
make
if you don't
sure,
do that, you just lame.
right, make sure you give us video ideas. I'm gonna show you how to hair.
Y'all should love us. We've been doing videos every day now. That's a 360. Let me show y'all my 360. Y'all see the front. Oh, don't mind the eyebrows, but
Period. Period. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys also follow us on Instagram. Oh yeah, post notifications. I'll put that on. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at Tianakpul.
At Famous Shit, FAYMOUS.